Hi guys, so I've expected you've understand the first equation, which is getting the coefficient of trust using the Labview software. Now for the second part, I would discuss on how to get the coefficient of power using the same software. The guide of formula would be displayed here, and nodes would represent the stored value for the following equations. Moving on to the block diagram, you can see here, you could see that the coefficient of power is connected to the coefficient of trust because they almost have the same formula. So for the first node, the product of the average and pi is squared and then multiplied to j squared, which is the advanced ratio. So moving on to the next equation, we would get the sum of induced angle and effective angle that we will later then multiply. In this software, radian is analyzed instead of degrees. So we therefore divide the sum of induced angle and effective angle to pi over 180. Therefore, the result is now in radian form. After getting the sum of the effective angle and induced angle, we would multiply to sine, then multiply to the coefficient of lift, which is CL, to the equation. Here is CL connected here, then multiply, we would get node 2. Now for node 3, we use the same sum, but it would be multiplied to cosine and the coefficient of drag, CD. Here is CD. After getting the sum of both node 2 and 3, we would then register the whole equation as node 4. So going back to this equation, which is the solidity of propeller, here is the solidity of the propeller multiplied to the average, and this would be the product and would represent node 5. Node 1 and node 5 would be then multiplied. Therefore, we would have node 6. Node 6 is then multiplied to node 4, node 6, and the product would be node 7. Node 8 is x sub 2 minus x sub 1, and multiplying node 7 to node 8, we would get node 9. So node 9 is multiplied to pi squared over 8, and the product would be your CP, which is the coefficient of power. So this is node 9, and pi over 8 is this 1. So multiplying both parts would get you the coefficient of power. So that's all. Thank you for listening. I hope you guys enjoyed and understand everything discussed. Please comment down below for further questions. Thank you and have a good day.